After more than 2 decades of war and civil strife, Afghanistan is building a national army to unify the country and provide security and stability to the Afghan people. The officers and soldiers come from all regions and ethnic groups of the country. The aim is to train a force to be loyal to the whole nation rather than to separate groups or leaders. This army will take over from the coalition forces that are now training them.
اردوی ملی تحت برنامه‌های و پروگرام‌های تعلیم و تربیت.
Our soldiers and officers are getting training in the field, and this army will be very different from previous armies, as well as from the Taliban.
و این اردو نسبت به اردوی دیروز یا اردویی که طالبان هستن اردو نداشتن فرق زیاده داره.
American officers point to the important role the Afghan military is expected to play in the war on terrorism.
The soldiers and the forces that will support that government and inevitably deny safe haven to terrorism and make this a safer place.
It is estimated that Afghanistan needs about 50,000 professional troops. The recruits are given 10 weeks of basic training by coalition instructors. Training of up to 4 battalions can take place at the same time. In addition to acquiring military skills, these soldiers will be learning to build an esprit de corps that binds them together, no matter what their ethnicity or region they come from.